Hi guys, I'm Paris.
And I'm Tara, and we're ambassadors here at Science Space.
Today we're going to be talking a little bit about sound. Me and Tara are going to demonstrate a few things about sound and how it's created. We've got tuning forks, a hammer, and a glass of water. So we're going to get started on a few cool things that happens when we make sound.
So with our tuning forks here, a tuning fork is actually a tool used by orchestras and musicians to tune their instruments. So each time you hit the tuning fork, and wherever you hit the tuning fork, it will always produce the same sound. Now, sound we can actually define as a vibration. So once I hit this tuning fork, you might not be able to see too well, but it's actually producing a vibration, and when we produce vibrations we are going to hear a sound. But you'll notice if I actually hit this tuning fork and place it on the desk, you might be able to hear the sound even more, the vibrations. Let's do that again.
Ooh.
So we can't really see vibrations happening too well through a solid material when we're just holding it in the air. But Paris and I are going to do an experiment today and see what happens if we try and make some vibrations move through a fluid. We've got some water here in a cup, and Paris and I are going to do our tuning fork demonstration and pop our tuning fork into the water and see if we can see those vibrations.
So first of all, I'm going to pick up the smaller one, and we can see what happens when we pop it in the water after hitting it with the hammer.
Ooh.
Got a little bit of a splash there.
I reckon we've got a bigger tuning fork here, so I reckon we should give that a go. It might
Definitely.
even make some bigger vibrations. Let's have a look.
Oh.
Ooh.
Bit bigger.
There we go.
So the reason that happened is because the smaller tuning fork is way lighter than this one. When we have something heavy, it takes a lot more for the vibrations to move through it because it's a lot thicker. So the reason that we hit this one and it made it a lot more splash is because it's a lot bigger.
Yep, so we're getting more vibrations and then we're getting more water displacement flowing out from our cup.
Oh.